Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the science of that glass repair liquid.
Yeah, that little chip in your windshield. It's one of the most frustrating things, right?
And if you ignore it, that tiny chip can spread and become a huge, expensive replacement.
Luckily, there's a solution. This isn't just glue. It's a high-tech resin for an invisible fix.
So how does it work? Well, it all starts with some clever physics called the refractive index.
Both glass and the resin have an index around 1.5. This match is what makes the repair disappear.
And the cool part? The liquid just gets sucked into the tiniest cracks, all by itself.
Then a little UV light kicks off a chemical reaction, turning the liquid into a super hard plastic.
This process restores up to 95% of the glass's original strength. That's pretty amazing.
So, what's in a professional kit? These are the key tools that make the magic happen.
The actual repair is a three-step dance. Prep the area, inject the resin, and then cure it.
And when you stack it up against a full replacement, well, there are some big advantages.
You save time, you save money, and hey, it's actually better for the environment too.
But, and this is important, it's not a miracle cure for absolutely every kind of crack.
The type of damage, where it is, and even who's doing it, it all makes a difference.
So, is it a permanent fix? When done right, you bet. It's a durable solution that can last for years.